Gearheads, welcome back to Autoverse Authority. In today's video, we're diving into the top 7 best futuristic cars that's turning heads and boosting performance. After hours of research and testing, I've handpicked the top choices for every kind of buyer, whether you're chasing value, performance, or a unique feature. Links to these products with the latest deals are waiting for you in the description below. Smash that like button, drop a comment, and hit subscribe to fuel your passion for all things auto. Let's rev it up and get started. Number 1. Mercedes-Benz Vision AVTR. The Vision AVTR is not a car, it's a living machine. Inspired by the movie Avatar, this futuristic vehicle connects to the driver's body using biometric sensors. You literally become one with the car. The wheels are spherical, allowing the car to move sideways like a crab. Its body lights up, breathes, and reacts to its environment. The interior doesn't have a traditional steering wheel. Instead, a multifunctional control pad responds to your hand gestures. The materials are all sustainable, using organic battery tech that's completely recyclable. The rear of the car has bionic flaps that communicate like the tail of an animal. It looks alien, feels alive, and shows us that the future of mobility is not just fast, it's emotional. This isn't transportation, it's a vision of harmony between man, machine, and planet. It's the definition of what a futuristic car should be. Number 2. Tesla Cybertruck. The Tesla Cybertruck isn't just a truck. It's a Skysphere war machine disguised as an EV. Its exoskeleton is made of ultra-hard 30x cold-rolled stainless steel, which Elon Musk claims is bullet-resistant. With a triangular, low-poly design, it looks like it jumped out of a video game. The Cybertruck can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.9 seconds and tow over 14,000 pounds. Its adaptive air suspension can raise or lower the vehicle on the fly, giving it off-road power and on-road dominance. The cabin seats 6 adults and includes a massive touchscreen for full Tesla software control. With a range of up to 500 miles and full self-driving capabilities, this truck is built for the apocalypse and beyond. Whether you love it or hate it, the Cybertruck forces you to imagine a future where vehicles are more than just transport, they're personal tech armor. Number 3. BMW i Vision Dee. Meet Dee, your future driving companion. The BMW i Vision Dee digital emotional experience is more than just an electric car. It talks, changes colors, reads your mood, and projects emotions onto its digital face. Yep, this car has a face. With over 240 e-ink panels, the exterior can shift into any color or design you want. Inside, the traditional dashboard is gone. Instead, a full windshield heads-up display transforms your entire view into augmented reality. Dee also functions as your digital assistant, holding conversations, syncing your schedule, and recognizing your emotions through your voice and expressions. You don't just drive Dee, you bond with it. BMW envisions a future where cars become personalized tech hubs that know us better than we know ourselves. If Knight Rider's kit and a smart home had a baby, it would be Dee. Welcome to a future where your car becomes your best friend. Number 4. Audi Skysphere Concept. The Audi Skysphere concept is a transformative electric roadster that redefines the boundaries between luxury and performance. Its variable wheelbase allows the car to switch between a grand touring mode and a sports mode, offering both comfort and agility. The sleek design, combined with advanced autonomous driving capabilities, positions the Skysphere as a beacon of Audi's vision for the future of mobility. Inside, the cabin is a blend of sustainable materials and cutting-edge technology, providing an immersive experience for both driver and passenger. Number 5. Mercedes-Benz Vision EQXX. The Mercedes-Benz Vision EQXX stands as one of the most futuristic electric cars ever imagined. It is engineered with a clear focus on efficiency, pushing the boundaries of electric vehicle range and design. with the ability to travel over 1,000 kilometers on a single full charge. This concept proves that range anxiety can be a thing of the past. The sleek, aerodynamic body glides through the air with minimum resistance, thanks to its ultra-low drag coefficient. Every detail of this vehicle, from the solar panels on the roof to the lightweight magnesium wheels, serves a purpose in maximizing energy efficiency. Inside, the Vision EQXX introduces a next-level digital interface, including a full-width touchscreen that stretches across the dashboard. Sustainable materials like bamboo fiber and cactus leather reflect Mercedes-Benz dedication to eco-conscious innovation. This car is not just a preview of electric mobility, it is a declaration of what is possible in tomorrow's automotive world. Number 6. AeroHT Land Aircraft Carrier. The AeroHT Land Aircraft Carrier by XPeng is a groundbreaking fusion of terrestrial and aerial mobility. This innovative vehicle comprises a six-wheeled electric van, known as the Mothership, and a detachable electric vertical takeoff and landing EVTOL aircraft. The Mothership, measuring approximately 5.5 meters in length, is designed to fit standard parking spaces and offers a range of up to 1,000 kilometers, thanks to its hybrid electric powertrain. Stored within the Mothership, the EVTOL aircraft features a six-rotor design with foldable arms, allowing for compact storage and rapid deployment. Constructed from carbon fiber composites, the aircraft accommodates 2 passengers and is capable of vertical takeoff and landing. It can be piloted manually or operated autonomously, providing versatility for various use cases. The land aircraft carrier is engineered for diverse applications, including personal transportation, emergency services, and governmental operations. Its modular design enables seamless transitions between driving and flying, offering a unique solution to modern mobility challenges. XPeng plans to commence mass production of this dual-mode vehicle by 2026, with initial deliveries anticipated in China. Number 7. Audi Aicon, a vision of autonomous luxury. The Audi Aicon represents the future of autonomous driving, combining luxury, intelligence, and sustainable technology into a single visionary vehicle. Unlike traditional cars, the Aicon is fully self-driving, eliminating the need for a steering wheel or pedals. This opens up a spacious, lounge-like interior where passengers can relax, work, or socialize during travel. Its sleek, extended body with a bold, futuristic shape hints at what luxury mobility will look like in the coming decades. Powered entirely by electricity, the Aicon offers a long driving range and uses advanced solid-state battery technology to ensure rapid charging and long-term performance. The vehicle intelligently manages energy efficiency while delivering a smooth and quiet ride. With 4 electric motors, each wheel can operate independently, allowing greater control and stability in various driving conditions. Inside, the cabin is crafted with high-end materials and ambient lighting that responds to passenger moods. Interactive displays, voice commands, and eye-tracking technology allow seamless communication with the vehicle. The Aicon is not just about moving from one place to another. It transforms commuting into a relaxing and luxurious experience. With the Audi Aicon, the future of transportation is smart, comfortable, and beautifully designed for a world that values both innovation and elegance. Thanks for watching our full videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and check link the description below. Goodbye and take care. See you in the new video.